Good morning, buenos dias, Lincoln Mustangs. This is Miss Monest with your morning announcements for Friday, October 3rd, 2025. Here is the latest update on the Name the Dragon. The voting continues, and the last time to place your vote will be 11 o'clock today. I will announce the winning name before we go home today at about 2 o'clock. In fourth place right now is Dragonite with 925 votes. In third place is Draco with 1,575 votes. In second place is Bookmarky with 1,583 votes. And in first place is 1,992 votes is Prince. All right, let's see if those votes change before 11 o'clock. A Lincoln K8 congratulations goes out to Miss Coleman's homeroom. They completed the 100% participation for this month's Baddie for Books AR challenge. This challenge will go by quick, folks, so just remember that there's 2 weeks of fall break in there, so don't want to miss out on that challenge and that free dress day. Speaking of AR challenges, look at these fun facts. We have had 691 students as of last Friday, so it might be more now, complete at least one AR quiz. This is an increase by about 280 students compared to last year at this time. We have also had 4,129 quizzes passed, which is an increase of over 1,500 quizzes. So 1,597 quizzes. So we have passed over 1,500 more quizzes this year than we have last year at this same time. Woo, woo! A big thank you goes out to all those students and teachers that are making AR a goal and a priority. And it's all about like helping foster that love of reading. It makes a difference. Speaking of, I have these handy dandy like top AR reader medallions. So students, if I call your name as a top AR reader, I want you to come down to my office after announcements to come and get this medal. We have, with 5 points awarded because of a 99% average, Makona Hyatt from first grade. Whoa, he has earned 11.4 AR points with a 99% average. That's awesome. So not only is he taking the quizzes, but he's doing very well with them. And then we also have, with 17.4 points and awarded 3 house points, Demaya House with a 92% average. Come on down, Demaya. And then Anasia Parks has earned 11.1 AR points, 3 house points, 90% average. We have Hayden Brooks, who has earned 9.8 AR points and a 91% average. Woo, woo. Also earned 3 house points. We have Elias Rivera, who has a 96% average, 34.6 AR points. He must be reading some chapter books, and that was worth 4 house points. We have Natalie Bueno with 12.3, and her average is 84%. Way to go, Natalie. Come on down. And last but not, there's 2 more. We have Harmony Gayton Sims with 83.2 AR points and an 88% average, totaling 2 house points. And last but not least, in 8th grade, we have Aiden Hageson with a 17.8 RA total points, 90% average, 3 house points. So I need those students to come on down and get these awesome medals. All right, moving on to the attendance raffles. We basically are down to the hair bows and the t-shirts. So I'm going to call down the 5 winners of the t-shirts. And when the students come to my office, they're going to complete this little thing that I put on the paper. because what's going to happen is we're going to take down the size of your t-shirt and what color you want it in. So maybe you want to get a Spirit Wear t-shirt in the color of your house. Like I might want green for Isabendi, or you might want red for Amistad. So we're going to take down that information, and then we will have the t-shirts ready for the winners when we come back from fall break. So here we go. 5 winners of the Ain't No Team, like the one I got, Spirit Wear t-shirt that students can wear to school. And the first one is, looks like Mia from Miss Timberlake's class. So Mia, come on down and help me get your size and color. We have Julian Getz from Miss Benedict's kindergarten class. We have Aiden Adcock from Miss Klusendorf's 3rd grade class. We have Catherine Valvardo from 7th grade newcomers, Miss De Jesus's class. Come on down. It's like Catherine from Miss De Jesus. Sorry if I said that wrong. And last but not least, the last winner of the t-shirts is Francisco from Miss Lopez's class. Woo, woo. All right, so these 5 students and the medallion AR winners are coming to my office. The hair bow students do not come to my office. There are 18 of you. I don't think you would all fit in my office. So I'm going to announce the winners of the hair bows, and Miss Royer is going to personally deliver them to the students, okay? So I say again, the winners of the hair bows that I am about to announce do not come to my office. However, here they are. We have Kamira Cotton in 6th grade. We have Itzanya in 4th grade Miss Dryden's class. Melanie Miranda, 2nd grade Miss Garza's class. Natalie from 5th grade Miss Harshbarger's class. Kamira Boyce from 6th grade. Nevaeh Parker, 7th grader. We have Kai Johnson. Sorry, no grade level on there. Kai Johnson. We have Charlie Ellis from Miss Lynn's class, 4th grade. We have Amaya Linwood, 8th grader, Miss Heinrichson's class. Delilah Guadamarara from Miss Garza's 2nd grade class. We have Conraya Pruitt from Miss Heinrichson's class. I think she's a 7th grader. Sorry, not sure. Zavea Hamilton, 6th grade. Mia, kindergartner from Miss Gutierrez's class. Kalina Booker from Miss Rubini's class. Aloy from Miss Gonzalez's 1st grade class. Jazaniah Albert Rayford from 8th grade. Natalie Carrara from Miss Alonzo's 3rd grade. And the last winner of the hair bows is Angelina from Miss Harshbarger's class. So Mrs. Royer will come and visit all 18 of these kiddos and give them their hair bows. Congratulations. She's probably going to go in order, folks, of how I wrote down the winners, just so you know. If you're preferring a favorite color, it'll depend on where you are on the list. All right, that was kind of a lot. A lot of good stuff. All right, I already did that one. On the lunch menu today, I have it wrong. Hold on, I have yesterday still on there. Today is Friday, so on the lunch menu, we are having an Italian meatball sub, or you could choose a turkey ham and cheese sandwich, roasted broccoli, fresh cauliflower, chilled pears, and of course, ice cold milk. Birthdays in the building. I better check and make sure I got it right since I had messed up that one. Today we have 4 Mustangs with a birthday. We have Micaiah Davis and McKaylee Davis, both in 3rd grade. We have Arlen McDonald in 5th grade. And we have Araya Wright in 1st grade. I also owe a belated birthday shout out to Miss Thomas, our very own 5th grade teacher. I missed it yesterday. Sorry, Miss Thomas. Happy birthday. And then over the weekend on Saturday, we have Conrado Carrillo in he's in 5th grade now. Conrado in 5th grade. We also have Cayenne Embry in 5th grade. We have Delilah, she was one of our winners, in 2nd grade. And then on Sunday, we have Italia Barajas in 1st grade and Uzel Perez in kindergarten. Also on Sunday is the birthday of our very own Miss Felice, who is in Miss Heinrichson's room helping out. So happy birthday to all of those Mustangs, including the weekend birthdays and anybody I missed over fall break. They may come on down to my office and get a birthday prize. But remember, if you don't have a pass, you can't leave the class. All right, and last but not least, our quote of the day today is by Stephanie Seabrook. And it is, life is about being and becoming, not having and getting. And that's very true. It's not about what we get and what we have. It's about who we are and what we do in this world. So this has been Miss Monist, hoping to ignite in every Lincoln student the ability to realize and achieve their potential in a diverse global community. Hoping you have not only a fantastic Friday, but a phenomenal fall break.